Hi everyone, my name is Sam and this is my friend David. And he can only speak English. So this is the first robot he's built and he hasn't touched these EV3s for a long time.
This is my robot and I use two large motors on the side.
As he's explaining,
and I had to
shows
connect
that
them
he is connected
to the side
large
frame
motors,
of the brain. And then I use two
back wheels and also a color sensor.
And I have one
in the front.
Colored sensor connected to.
And this is my robot and it's a lot more solid. If you've seen my videos, then you know that I have been building these robots for a while longer. And mine is a base of the robot with the frame on the outside with three supporting wheels in the back. If I wanted to, I could also add this as a weapon or a scooper because we're playing Sumo with these robots. And these are our two Sumo robots.
This is my design and that was my program.
It's like a tank kind of. No way. I don't think this wheel's touching the ground. Look. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Set, go.
Oh God.
3, 2, 1, go.
Even though my robot is a simple build, the programming that was put onto this robot let me win this big tank.
Programming is very important. That's why you have to learn stuff.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.